miss. Now here's Conte Galante on the way out. All the way down the lane. Yes, sir. Conte Galante opening up the... Here's the watchers now. Here's number 13 now. On the way off. Down the lane. Yes, sir. Here's Christian Avenido with the letter. Coman Real. He is blocked. Down 18 seconds to shoot. For three. That is short. We're now within 1 minute on the shot. Quick through the air. Will miss. But for the loose ball by Christian, here's Avenido now. On the open way. He goes. Yes, sir. There's 2 points there from Christian Avenido. We are tied down at 4. Here's Encarnacion to the line, left side for 3. Yes, sir. Jeremy Norshore, 3. Jeremy Norshore explosive from the three-point count. Now here's Christian Avenido. Hesitation there, down low pass. Here's Balikan. Off to Christian. Avenido setting his off. Off to number 13, Mandial. Off the glass. But for the loose ball, one in under another. Here's Justin Latina. Off to Avenido. Christian lays it in. Dropping the ball. They're up by 3, 10-7. Here's Johnny Galante. Using up the fake from Andre. Off to Encarnacion. Getting the basket and one. Number 12 behind the free throw area. Substitution. Here's Avenido. Christian setting things up on the top of the key, using up the pick from Velasco. Also the shot, yes sir. Misses. But for the loose ball, Makoya and John. Now here's Galante. All the way up, yes sir. Ronquillo setting things up, down low, John inside, another basket and one for Andre Encarnacion to Avenido. Diaz, he's up against John. Passes, post forward, Perez shots fired, and he gets the screen. Hero Diaz picking up the pace, using up the pick, to the power, finding his way in. Watch on the right side. No killer for 3. That is short. But for loose board. Manila cover running Andre. Here's Encarnacion. Basket count and one. Rebound goes tonight. Here's John Ray. Feed pass. Here's Ronquillo. Basket count and one. The fans follow. It is a miss. But for loose board, Mawaparini. Joshua. After John Ray. He attacks, down low pass to Andre. And Andre Encarnacion finishing the shot. He's playing with 9 points now. What a connection from John Ray and Andre. Now here's John Ray all the way. 8 points for John Ray Galante. 17 seconds to go. Another steal. Andre to John Ray Galante. Touchdown. Johnny off the ring-up shot, and this is, and that ends our first quarter with a score 26-18 in favor of Unlad 9.
Here is Shane Milan. Oh, the great County team in halftime off the gas. Look at that drive. See the 10 points. Here's Justin again, inside, outlet now, Avenido looking to get the basketball, Avenido goes all the way. 8 points. Open it up, outlet pass now. On to the Zach, using the left to layup. An offensive rebound and clean up the mess. Aguilar. Stop it, pop, pocket that guy, but again, Zane Bernard. Pass. Misses another offensive rebound. Whoa, look at that figure from Jeremy Norshore. Inside, that's too strong. Quick out in person again. And he got 10 points already. The leading scorer of Ternate now with 10. From downtown, 3! Getting the steal. Ezekiel off the number 9 and lays it off. Touchdown for 2. Jenny Boy Distor. They need more fast break plays para sa Ternate to convert those turnovers into points. But again, the quick answer from 9 responding to that turnover they made last while. All double cross by Christian. 16-foot jumper. This way off and no one boxing out that time. Number 5, Justine Rodina was able to get that basketball off to that miss. Sandre attacking at the middle. This is that time. Front iron bangs it in again. Para there. Sandre gets the rebound. 3-on-1 break. Off to that pass. The layup off the glass. Galarpe with that position. Here's Christian Benito. Oh, another steal. And Sandre on the front court. And Galarpe goes all the way. 12 points in the ball. A big lead. Another steal para kay Sandre. Behind the back pass. Oh, the passing off line that time. Oh, what a great shot. That should be a big shot. Outlet this time. Sandre na naman on the front court. 14 points para kay Sandre Galarpe. Nice shot. Teardrop ball go. Offensive rebound na naman para sa Ternate. Double fake. Pull off. Another rebound. And look at Jenny Boy Distor cleaning up the mess. Cutting the lead down to 19 with a minute remaining in this second quarter. Sandre trying to make an attack. Looks for a teammate. Duterte on the left side. Takes the long shot. Backs it down again. 3! Big time 3-point shot. 6 points in the ball game. Good ball movement para sa night. Well designed for our coaches for night. Nice fade, Distor. Shot up, running down. 10 on the shot clock with a hand on his face. Jerome Grezula. Tapos na bola kayo. Another steal for Ternate. Quick outlet now. Touchdown. Ramirez for the 2 points. In this ball game. 5 seconds remaining. Sandre now on the front court. Trying to beat the clock and touchdown. At the end of the first 20 minutes of ball game, the official score and it's 56-35, 21-point lead. Leading score on the first half, Sandre Galarpe with 70 points and 7 steals.
Here's the start of our third quarter. Here's Poblete with the letter Lance. Off to Tugo. Follow wise number 3. Yes, sir! Out of the middle. Cross court, scoring again. Here is Poblete Lance. Drop pass. Yes, sir! First move to the power. With the letter back to Christian. Abinido making his way in. Drop pass. Gets it to go. Side. Back to the line. Making his way in. Kick out. Poblete has it. Shot clock at 8. Up for 3. Yes, sir! Joshua Rodriguez. Here's Christian on the reset. Go pass to Benamir. Pass. Benamir will miss this time. Here's the Rangers now looking to attack. Touchdown! Yes, so Sanjay Tapawan on the situation. Shot clock winding down. All the way up. Sanjay Tapawan. Hex. Loses it. Goes Christian. Here's the break now. Mandrial all the way up. Here is Abinido. Christian. Sizing is one up. Kick out for 3. Yes, sir! Here's Christian. On the open way, he goes. On the way with this, Mandrial. Good pass to Clarence. The skill is there. for John Sanjay. Tapawan to Mandrian. Gomez. Rebound goes to Hero. Diaz to number 8. Service Akihiro. Diaz with a spin. The pass. Mandrian for 15 points. Renzo Mandrian, a man on a mission, making things done. For Ternate, dropping down the G's to 11. And that's here, Runes. Recovered by Jade. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Ternate. 1 second to go. 1.2 seconds. That is our third quarter. Still 11-point advantage for Naik. Entering our fourth and final quarter. So here's Vision Abilido. Setting this one up for the white shirts. Up to Tapawa. Still is there. Sanjay puts up the shot. Cutting down the chase to 9. It is 7 points now for Sanjay Tapawan. Galarte, kick out for 3. Yes, sir! Jeremy Norshaw. 3-point shots made for him. Here's Johnny Galarte. Andre, for the finish. Touchdown. Kick out. Norshaw to Johnny for 3. Couldn't make it. Rebound goes to Andre. Kick out. Johnny again. Yes, sir! Johnny Galarte. 3. One explosive ball game. Another steal. Norshaw to Galarte. Touchdown. Timeout. To Medina. Here's the Rangers once again on the attack. Galarte to Norshaw. Here's Belkan. One snap. Under steal. Galarte. Getting the basket. And 1. Now here is Johnny Galarte. He's playing with 24 to the left side for 3. Yes, sir! Jeremy Norshaw, 3! 4 3-pointers for Jeremy Norshaw. Here's Rondina. Running shot. Got it. Here's a steal. Recovered by John Ray. For 3. In and out. Putback is there for Andre. He is Mandrian. Loses it. Andre to John Ray. Galarte. All the way up to Andre Wallace. Put back by David. David Delago with 11 offensive rebounds and 6 points for him. Dominating the paint. Now here's Galarte. All the way up. 26 points. Yes. Put back. Jen Boyd forward left night on that possession. Use an up and under from Akihiro Diaz. Another steal. No pass inside. Jeremy Norshaw. Here's the big off touchdown. 17 points for St. Louis to the right. Shapaka 10. Up and away. Here's the break now. Drop pass. Clarence misses, but there's a put back. Couldn't complete it, but there's a save. Grisula. Yes, sir. At the end of regulation, 17 for Lednai. And our best player of the game with 30 points, 10 steals, 11 assists, and 10 rebounds.